There is this joy that comes with new arrivals, especially when you order goods from China and waiting for it to arrive after 2 months. And when you get to see them, oh my God, you're going to be so excited. And the next thing is to pray. Yes, to thank God for safe arrival. You know, things happens to many people's goods, especially when it comes to sea shipping. You hear a lot of things, but it's good to give thanks to God for bringing the goods successfully without any issue. So, guys, yeah, we're about to start the unboxing. I know you can't wait to see what we've got in here. We've got a lot of goodies. So, guys, I'm going to urge you to watch this video till the end, because if you try to skip it, you are going to end up missing. Yeah, you're going to miss a lot. Okay? So enjoy watching. This one said they love. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How many people are trying this? No, so I write 6 pieces. This one, this one, this. Oh, that's only write 6 pieces from. Oh, this one looks small. How big bag is one? How big is that? Well, let's see my own day longer. Let's see my own day longer. Yeah. This one. Other days, you don't need to carry the amount. I do.
heavy.
Oh. Yay!
Wow.
Our boss.
Are you seeing this?
Mommy, divine. I don't get better flow. Ah, it really makes sense. It really makes sense. Hey! Something we don't reach out, we not going to talk on my hand. This time I don't quality, we break. See, this thing we heavy like this. Well, let's share it. Small.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
God, I love it. This one, no, this rice, no, this
So it's for rice. So it's
for
for
soup.
yeah, now it's my family. So I need it.
I do. Wow.
You know how many this one? You know how many this one go weigh? The round is still on top.
Oh yeah, I'm going to share this one.
Oh, I love this.
If they want to say this one for the year, I want to buy it. Maybe 100,000. You see the one in the same way. This is big.
Now forcé.
We go share that. Oh, now we shall give me money. Finish. Not too bad. Stand now. Oh my.